Okay, in today's class, we'll just revise what all we have done till now, and tomorrow's class, we'll just go with advanced search campaign. And tomorrow, we will complete our search network. Why we are spending most time on search network is because search network is the most important campaign of all the, most important network of all the networks. In display network, mobile, video, and all, this will be completed in one day. But whereas search network, it will take some time because you have to understand from basics, theory part, and everything. That is the reason you have to spend more time on search network. Now coming to, you have given me the access of your Google Ads account. Let's accept your invitation. See, accept your invitation to access a Google Ads account. You have invited me, and your Google Ads customer ID he has given. So I'm just accepting the invitation. That's it. Hello and welcome to Google Ads. That's it. This is your account now. Did you create campaign, Pranita? Yes, Pranita. Did you create a campaign, search network campaign, Hyderabad?
Yes, I have created.
Then what?
So after getting those billing and contact some options, I was not able to continue the process. They were asking me about payment details.
Yes. Why did I didn't explain you payment at the right? So that is the reason. Why did you go into payment? Just you were exploring? No, you explore, nothing will happen. Switch to export mode. There you have to select, see, you're not paying any money right now, right? So that is the reason you have to select any bank name and then you have to go back. Then only you'll be going back. Otherwise, you'll be stuck over there only. That is the reason you were stuck there. If you pay the amount, then you will not be stuck. But if you're not paying the amount and if you go into payments, billings and payments, and you are clicking on bank accounts and everything, that is network, net banking and all, there you will get stuck. You will never, even if you press over here or go back, press over here, you'll not go back. So that is the reason you have to select any random bank account. Don't give your bank account details. Just select any random bank name and then go back. Like that, you can go back. Create an account without a campaign. So maybe you have given me a new account access. I don't think so you have given that account access to me. So just click on continue. These three things will never be changed if you once click on submit. So continue. Okay, it is going to payments. Okay. Confirm payment info. You have given organization name. Don't do anything. Just go back. See, that's it. I have gone back. Now what I have to do, Pranita, over here, I have said yesterday, if your interface looks like this, then if I want to get the dashboard, campaigns, ads, and extensions, then how should I get that interface? Please tell me. Here you need to have dashboard, right? Ads, campaigns, keywords.
Yeah.
How to get that? I told you Google Ads is their platform. It is Google platform. So it's according to their wish, they will change it whenever they want. They will change it. For one person, it will look like this. For you, it may not look like this. For some people, tools and settings is look, see, sometimes your tools and settings is going to look like this. Sometimes it's going to appear different way. That day what happened yesterday and all, it was appearing in horizontal way. Today it is appearing in vertical way. So they change every time they try to change their platform. For one person, it will be appearing in one way, and for other, it's going to appear in another way. So now I want to switch. I want to switch the view. That means I don't want it to be like this. I want it to be some other way. That means I want the dashboard and everything. So what should I click on?
Google Ads.
No. There's an option called switch view. Do you remember this? I have told yesterday you have to click on switch view option. You have to click on switch view option. Then you'll get this entire option. So every time
even on Google Ads, we are getting these options.
See, every time you will not get. Sometimes what happens, directly your account will open like this only. Sometimes it might not open. So there is an option called switch view option. So just click on switch view option. If it is happening like that, then you can click on this option. But if it is not happening on Google Ads, then you have to click on switch view. Why switch view button is there? So that you can view. That means you can switch the view. That is the reason switch view button is there. If it happens like this only, then this button would not be there over here. So you have to utilize this button over here. Okay. Now you have given the account name over here. How did you give the account name? Go to tools and settings and preferences. In preferences, you have given the account name, yeah. Then coming to access, you have given me the access by going into tools and settings, access and security, and email ID. Okay. Now, after that, let's revise what all we have learned till now. What is the difference between Google Ads and Google Ads Express?
In Google Ads Express, we can in Google Ads Express, Google will control our
Yes,
website,
exactly.
and Google Ads we can use.
Yeah, correct. Do not go for Google Ads. See, automatically when you create a new account, it will go to Google Ads Express only. You have to observe the URL. In URL, Express will be there. That means you're in Express mode. To make sure I'm not in Express mode and to make sure I go into Google Ads tool, what should I do? On which option should I click?
Switch to expert mode.
Yeah, switch to export mode. Then, okay. Then what else we have learned? Different kinds of networks we have learned, right? Search, display, video, mobile, and shopping. In search, by default, what is the bidding type?
CPC.
CPC. That means cost per click is a bidding type. By default, it is a bidding type. And what is PPC? PPC is nothing but a pay per click. It is just a, yeah, it is just a network. And okay, let's create a campaign over here. Did you create any campaign? You have created a campaign called Pranita. See, no problem. You can give any random name over here, but it's better you give a location name over here because you cannot differentiate over here again. Hyderabad one campaign and the Chennai one campaign, Bangalore one campaign. Like this, you have to give the location. So any random name you can give, but make sure you give some location name over there. And that's it. All campaigns. Okay. Let us create a new campaign over here. Now, just tell me, Pranita, what all should I follow? What all should I do now? Select a goal that would make this campaign successful for you. What should I select?
Create a campaign without a goal.
Okay, now?
Now, if we want to do search.
Yes. We have not discovered all these platforms, right? So let's go with search network only. Then continue. Then campaign name you have to give over here.
Bangalore. Okay.
Yeah, anything. Okay, Bangalore. Now what should I do? Should I scroll down?
We should uncheck those options.
Yeah, why should I uncheck these options?
Otherwise, we need to pay money for the Google.
See, we need to pay money for the Google in the sense they will not ask extra, like pay extra, they will not tell. But the thing is, they will deduct extra amount from you. You have to not tell you have to pay money to Google. What you need to tell is, if these two both options are checked, there is a chance that your ad will appear on different platforms, such as on some Google display partnered websites or on YouTube. These all places also your ad is going to appear. This is search network advertisement, right? It is search network ad. So it has to appear on SERP. If these both options are checked, that means it is going to appear on some other platforms also. What will happen on some other platform if your ad is appearing? Maybe some other platform people are not interested in your advertisement. Even if they click on your advertisement, you will be losing money. So why to uncheck these two options is, it is a search network campaign which you are creating. And if these two options are checked, there is a chance that your ad will be appearing on some different platforms also, such as Google display partner websites. That is the reason you have to uncheck these two options. Now, coming to locations, we have to target Bangalore over here. If it is Hyderabad campaign, then you can target Hyderabad. But for Hyderabad campaign, don't target Bangalore. That is wrong. Leave these options for now. Then languages, English by default, keep it like that. But if you want to choose any language, you can choose it. Then total budget, daily budget. It is not total budget. It is just a daily budget. So daily budget, 1,000 rupees I'm giving. Then just click over here, maximize clicks. Then what is the maximum CPC, Pranita? Okay, tell me the difference between manual bidding and automated bidding. What is manual and what is automated? Don't tell in detail. Normally, you tell what is the difference between manual bidding and automated bidding. In manual bidding, who is under the control? In manual bidding, we have the control. Whereas in automated bidding, Google has the control. Google has the control. Always give your bidding control to Google only, because you do not know how much your competitor is paying. You cannot predict how much your competitor CPC is, but Google knows how much your competitor is paying. Here, if you go with manual, increasing and decreasing amount, one rupee you have to increase and one rupee you have to decrease if the competitor has decreased his amount also. So like this, you are just wasting your time with the manual bidding. So instead of that, go for automated bidding. Whereas here, Google will have the control of the bidding. That means, suppose you have given your max CPC in the sense maximum CPC, that is the limit. Max CPC has as 80. Then assume that your competitor is paying 20 rupees per click. Then to bring on top, that means to bring you on top, Google will tell 21 rupees. If 30 rupees is paying, Google will tell 31. Like this 60, then 61 Google will tell. If he says 79, if it says 70, then Google will tell 71. If he says 80, Google will tell, how much Google will tell? Google will tell 81? No, Google will not tell 81. Google will stop there only. Google will tell this person, suppose if it is telling some 80 rupees, let's assume your competitor is paying 80 rupees per click. Google will not tell 82 rupees or something like that, 81 rupees. Google will not tell like that. Google will stop at 80 rupees only. Suppose your competitor is paying more than you. Let's assume your competitor is paying 90 rupees. But still Google will tell 80 rupees only, because you have set the limit over here. Your budget is not more than 80 rupees. Though your competitor is paying more than you, your competitor might be paying 81, 82, 83, 90, 100, how much ever you want, he might be paying. 500 also he'll be paying. But still Google will be stopping your bidding at 80 rupees only, because that is your budget. That is the maximum CPC you are giving to Google. It will not go more than 80 rupees. But the thing over here is you have to compromise your position. That is the thing over here. Maybe you'll be coming at second position, but your price will not be increased. So that is a major benefit of automated bidding. And there is one more benefit of automated bidding only. Assume that suddenly this person from 81 rupees, he has reduced his price to 60 rupees. Then again, what Google will do is Google will reduce your price from 80 to 61 rupees. So it is good, right? According to the competitor, Google is increasing your amount and Google is decreasing your amount. And up till when Google will increase your amount? Up till 80 rupees only Google is going to increase your amount. And if the competitor decreases his amount, Google will decrease your amount also. So here you are saving money. That is the reason always go for automated bidding only. Now see, this is the automated bidding. So maximize clicks, manual bid strategies. Do not go for manual, always go for automated. And by default, before people Google would show manual bidding over here, but these days Google is showing normal automated bidding only over here. So no need to click over here, directly you can just enter the amount over here, clicks 80 rupees. Otherwise, if you want, you can, for your knowledge, then you can just click over there and you can go over here and click on maximize clicks. That's it. And extensions, see, extensions, yesterday how did I create extensions? Assume that this is the account. I went over here and I have created the extensions. Ads and extensions, go to extensions. I have created the extensions over here. That means by going like this, I have clicked on ads and extensions, and then I'm on extensions and I have created extensions. See the extensions which we have created yesterday in yesterday's class. We have created site link, we have created call out, we have created structure snippet, and we have created call. See, our phone number is appearing. Structure snippet is nothing but, it is also a description, but in a structured format. See, courses, affiliate marketing, email marketing, Google Ads. Then coming to call out is nothing but your description, additional description. See, up till here, this is my description. Again, revision classes, only up till revision classes is my description, but again from internship provided and all, it is my additional description. These 4 things I have given as additional descriptions. And structure snippet is nothing but just the additional links if you want to give. Suppose when somebody clicks on email marketing, they will just land to the email marketing page of your website. So this is just a link. This is description, additional description you have to tell, not description, additional description. And this is This is also description, but this description has some structure. Then this is giving phone number. That's it. These are the extensions. Extensions you can create at campaign level. That means now you are creating Hyderabad campaign, right? Sorry, Bangalore campaign, right? You can create at campaign level also, or else you can create at account level also. You can create like this, or you can create like that. Both you can do. Now, what I suggest is, see, now you are creating Hyderabad campaign, Bangalore campaign, and both are digital marketing only, just assume. For both, again and again, for Hyderabad one more time, for Bangalore one more time, what is the use of doing it like that? Only in account level, just a second, Pranita. Yeah. See, what I recommend is you can create extensions at your campaign level. Now we are creating Hyderabad campaign or Bangalore campaign, whatever the campaign is, you can create that option will be there in campaign also, and same extension option will be there in the dashboard also. If you are creating your extension here, that means you are going over here and you are clicking over here and you are creating an extension, whichever the extension, site link, call out, structure, call, whatever the extension is, you can create it campaign, account level also. Yesterday we have created in account level only, and today let's create it campaign level. Both are same, but the thing is, if you are creating it campaign level, then the hard work is more. But whereas if you go over here and if you create, this site link is there, right? Now this is the, see, add to account. It's up to you, add to account or add to campaign or add to add group. By default, it will be account only. Now what will happen? This particular site link will be utilized by Hyderabad campaign and it will be utilized by Bangalore campaign also. No need to create double times. Whereas here, if you are creating site link for Bangalore one time, you have to do, again for Hyderabad you have to do, again for Chennai you have to do. So like that, you have to do n number of times. Whereas if you go over here and if you create directly, if you go into the dashboard and if you create, then one time if you do, it will be utilized by all the campaigns. So this is better, right? This is the best option than all the options. So yesterday we have already done this, so today we'll do this. For Bangalore campaign, separately we'll create a site, what is this, extensions. Add additional links to your ad. Add more business information to your ad. Add a phone number to your ad. So let's go with site link. So let's give some site links over here. I'm giving SEO. Then let's describe something about SEO. Then see description, even if you give description here, if you see the preview, your description is not going to appear to you also. And on the SCRP also, this description will not appear. Only when this description is going to appear is if your ad is ranking at first position, that means on SCRP, Google Ads will be there, right, for a particular keyword. If your ad is ranking at first position, then only this particular description will appear. Otherwise, this description is not going to appear. So right now, let's take this particular URL as our SEO URL. Final URL I'm giving SEO, and here I have to give something, right? So login. Course online. I'm giving some random thing. And see, I've given my site link text. That means when somebody clicks on SEO, they'll land to this particular page. Let's assume this is SEO page of our website. Then some site link 2. If you want to give site link 2, then you can give site link 2. I'm giving social media optimization. Then learn social media skills. Increase your sales. I'm giving as my URL. Sorry, description 2. Then again, final URL, and same, the process, everything will be same. You do here, you do at campaign level, or you created account level. Both are same. Everything will be same. But the only advantage if you created account level is that particular extension will be utilized by all the campaigns. That means total account, it will be utilized. But whereas if you created This level, that means for particular campaign you are creating, only for Bangalore you are creating. Now this extensions will not be utilized for Hyderabad. Again, you have to create for Hyderabad. Again, you have to create for Chennai. That is the only difference. Other than that, there is no other difference. Now let's go for cyber security as our SMO. Copy it and paste it over here. That's it. Again, site link 3, site link 4. It's up to you. As of now, I'm giving just 2 site links. Then save it. Just see over here, these are the 2 we have created the site links. If you want to see the preview, you can see the preview. Now headline 1 will be there, whatever the title you are giving for your ad copy, your description, and site links. SEO and SMO are the 2 site links you have given. That's it. If you want to add more, you can add more. Now call out extension. Call out extension is nothing but giving additional information. Giving additional description is only known as call out extension. Now here we'll give some call out extension, that is we will describe a little bit more about our advertisement. So I'm giving 100% and on live projects. This is exactly same as description, nothing different, but this is just additional description. 24/7 lab facility. Okay, I have given some call out extension, that is additional description. If you want to know, give more, you can just give more over here. As of now, I'm not giving. Now save it. Now, if you want to see the preview, you can see the preview. Headline will be there, description will be there. After description, some additional description will be there. That is only call out a extension. Then call extension. What is call extension? Simply add your phone number. Just click over here as India, then add your phone number. So that when somebody sees your advertisement, they'll be calling back to you. Now I have given my call extension. What is the extension which is left over? Structure snippet is left over. So just click on structured snippet. If an extension is not appearing to you, just click on add extension, then extensions will be there over here. Now I have to add snippets of text to your advertisement. Just click over here. Now, what is telling me? Select a header type. That means if you're providing courses, then you can select courses. If you're into some hotel business, then you can select the hotel. If you're into some make my trip, this kind of website, then you can go for destinations, what destination packages you are providing and all. You can go for this Hyderabad package, Delhi package, whatever the package you're providing, you can go for this. I'm going for courses. Then in courses, what courses you are providing, you can mention over here. I'm writing affiliate marketing, email marketing, okay. If you want to add more, just click on add value. That's it. Now all my extensions are added. If you want to see the preview, then you can see the preview. Headline will be there, description will be there, and additional description which has a structure, that also will be there. That is only structure snippet. So how many extensions we have created? We have given our budget, that is daily budget. We have given our bidding. We have given our max CPC also. That means even if my competitor is selling more than 80 rupees, still my amount will be 80 rupees only. Google will not deduct more than 80 rupees from me because I have given the limit over here. Then site link extension I have given, and I have given call out extension, I have given call extension, and I have given structure snippet extension. Call extension is just a phone number. Call out extension is additional information. Site links is giving some link so that when somebody clicks on that link, they will land to that particular page of the website. Structured snippet is, that is also additional information, but it has some structure. Now see, courses, under courses, affiliate marketing, email marketing, Google Analytics. So this is one of the structure. So like this, these are the extensions which are important. Now save and continue. That's it. This is about extensions, which we have already learned yesterday, but one more time I have just explained to you. Now add group name. Okay, we have created campaign. Which campaign we have created, Pranita? Bangalore campaign we have created, right? Now in Bangalore campaign, which services you are providing, you have to mention over here. Right now I'm taking SEO as my ad group. Ad group is nothing but, what is an ad group? Yes, Manita, what is an ad group? Okay, tell me what is a campaign in a Google ad structure. What is a campaign? What is an ad group? This is your account. With Gmail account, you can create 20 Google Ads accounts. Now under account, tell me what is a campaign, what is an ad group? Campaign is nothing but location. Then what is ad group?
Name of the course.
Yes, services, whichever the services you are providing. See, we are providing courses, right? But other people might be providing some other services. Now, painter might be providing some other service. Plumber will be providing some other service. So, ad group is nothing but a service. So, now I'm giving my service as SEO. Now, enter some keywords over here. As of now, we will write some keywords. SEO courses in Hyderabad. Which match is this, Pranita? By default, Google will take which match? Which keyword match type? Okay, I have provided some keywords over here. See, this is my ad group name. That means my service. And this thing I'll tell tomorrow. And keywords, under keywords, I have provided SEO courses in Hyderabad and SEO training in Hyderabad. Sorry, Bangalore, right? This is Bangalore campaign. See, in flow, we will do mistakes. Because all the time I use the word Hyderabad. That is the reason I'm giving Hyderabad. Bangalore. Then again, SEO training in Bangalore. Best SEO course in Bangalore. Like this, you have to mention some keywords. Now, after that, if you want to create one more ad group, that means you have SEO. Suppose you have Google Analytics course also. You're providing Google Analytics service. Then click on new ad group and give Google Analytics also. As of now, I'm not giving any Google Analytics. Okay. Now coming to save and continue. That means I have created my account. I have given my campaign as Hyderabad. Under Hyderabad, I have created my ad group as SEO. Under SEO, I have given my keyword as some keywords I have given over there. Now I have to create my ad copy. Come back over here. Now you have to create your ad copy. Now give the final URL for which website you are creating. That website URL you have to give. Copy, paste it over here. That's it. Then display path, tomorrow we'll learn. Coming to headline, you have to give some headlines over here. So as of now, I'm giving some headlines as best SEO training in Bangalore. 100% placement guarantee. If you're providing, then only give. Otherwise, don't give those kind of keywords. Then learn from your home and learn the art of blogging. Work on live projects. Okay, I have given some n number of keywords over here. You can see how it is changing. One time one combinations are changing over here. So Google will do A by B testing. A by B testing in the sense, whichever the combination works the most, Google will show that ad on the SERP. Now on phone, it is going to appear like this. And on desktop, it is going to appear like this. Your advertisement is going to appear like this. And coming to description, you have to give some description over here. Just give me a second. Yeah, give your description over here. I have given my headline. Now description 1 I should give, I have to give description 2. So a number of descriptions you can give, 4 descriptions you can give over here. So I'm just copying description from here and I'll just give the description over there. as of now. Now description 2. I'm given my description 2 also. So this is how my advertisement is going to appear. If you want to add more, then you can add more. So let's give one more description over here. Then copy, come back over here and paste it. So I've given 3 descriptions. Okay. If you want to see in the mobile phone, you can see just in a mobile how it is going to appear. See, in mobile it is going to appear like this. My headline, my description, and my website URL. Okay. Then done. Save, and this is how your advertisement is going to appear. Your ad group is SEO, your keywords are this, whatever the keywords. You have created your campaign also, then save and continue. Now publish. That's it. You have created your campaign. Now it will be under review. Ads will be shown to the customers. That's it. Then how to see your see? This is campaign, right? See, in the campaign level, you can see whatever the campaigns you have created, you can see over here. That means in the account level, this is your Google Ads account, right? In the account level, you can see your campaigns. This is your campaign. This is the one which I have created now. If you click on campaign, then you will see the ad group. See what is the structure? In AdWords account, you will see campaign. In campaigns, you will see ad group. Under ad groups, you will see keywords. Same like that. I have clicked on campaign and I was seeing your name and Bangalore. So those were my campaigns. Under Bangalore, my ad group, which is SEO. If I click on SEO, I will see the keywords over here. That's it. And if you want to see the ads which we have created, then clicks on ads and extensions. This is the advertisement which we have created pending under review. So you can see your extensions over here also. This is my call extension. See, by default, for some reason, yesterday also, if you have observed, when we have created structure snippet, site link and all, it was not showing. Just after we create, it was not showing over here. Only call extension was appearing. No problem. After some time, it is showing whatever you have done, the site link, structure snippet and call out. It is not appearing just after you create. After some time, it is appearing. That is just tool error. So no problem. After some time, it is going to appear. Even yesterday, it didn't appear while we have created. But later, after some time, it has appeared. See, today if we see, it is appearing, but yesterday when you have created, it was not appearing. Yesterday also only I was able to see. That means if you just observe that video, whichever we have created yesterday, that means in yesterday's class, only call extension was appearing after we create our extensions. But today, if you see, all the extensions are there. So no problem. Just wait for some time, all the extensions will appear to you. So this is about extensions, and this is how you have to create a basic search network advertisement. Now coming to the keyword match types. Keyword match types is very, very important. Concentrate more on keyword match types. Extensions, you already know how to create. You can create it account level and you can create it campaign level also. That means while creating a separate campaign for Hyderabad campaign, Bangalore campaign also, you can create extension, or directly you go over here and create an extension. Like this also, you can create an extension. It's up to you. Suppose site link extension, then add to account, then it will be added to account level. If you want to add to campaign, then campaign level. So for which campaign you want this particular extension also, you can choose. For Chennai you want to create, or for Hyderabad you want to create. Suppose in case you have forgotten to add some extensions while creating a campaign, let's assume you forgot to add extensions in hurry. Then you can come back to the dashboard and click on ads and extensions, then on extensions, and you can add that extension to account level, or you can add it to campaign level also. In campaign also, for which campaign? For Hyderabad campaign or for Chennai campaign? You can choose. Like that also, you can choose over here. Now coming to, what did I say? Keyword match types, I said, right? Yeah. Keyword match types. There is a broad match. There is a phrase match. There is a exact match. There is broad match modifier. And there is negative match. Okay. Let's see if we have yesterday's Yeah, this was the one we have created yesterday. Now assume that these are some keywords and this is your targeted keyword. We have mentioned some keywords for Bangalore, right? SEO course in Bangalore we have mentioned. Let's assume SEO course in Hyderabad is your targeted keyword. And this is how you cannot assume how people are going to search, right? One person can search in one way, other person can go search in other ways, up to him how he wants to search. So let's assume people are searching in these ways. Now you tell me SEO course in Hyderabad. Now forget about all the matches. Just tell me SEO course in Hyderabad. If you target this particular keyword called SEO course in Hyderabad, and somebody is searching SEO courses in Hyderabad, is my ad going to appear? Yes or no?
Yes, it will appear.
Why? Because I have told you yesterday, right? Google will follow semantic algorithm. It singular, plurals does not matter. Spelling mistakes does not matter. Google will correct it by itself and show your advertisement. So this is not the problem. Again, for SEO training in Hyderabad also your advertisement will appear. For SEO course Hyderabad also your advertisement will appear. For best SEO, for free SEO, for all these things your advertisement is going to appear because it is a broad match. For broad match, there will not be any phrases, there will not be any bracket, or there will not be any plus symbol also. That if anything is not there for your keyword, then it will be considered as a broad match. By default, Google will take broad match only because Google wants more money from the advertiser. That is the reason Google will take for broad match. If you have so much of money, very, very big companies go for broad match. Otherwise, nobody goes for broad match. It is unfair to the advertiser. They will lose lots of money over here. So never ever go for broad match. By default, it will be broad, but you have to convert into some other match. So broad match is nothing but even if one word matches, see SEO course in everybody. Even if one word matches from the user search, then your advertisement is going to appear. Now, one word matches in the sense for SEO course in Hyderabad, if SEO course in Hyderabad is your targeted keyword, now your advert, if somebody is searching cloud computing in Hyderabad, cloud computing course in Hyderabad, your advertisement is not going to appear because it is not relevant. SEO and cloud computing are not relevant. Something related to SEO, if somebody is searching, then only your advertisement is going to appear. But still, it is unfair to the broad advertiser. That is the reason never go for broad match. Then coming to phrase match. What is phrase match, Pranita? Broad match, even if one word is same, your advertisement is going to appear. But the thing is, it should be relevant. Now, if your targeting keyword is digital marketing in Hyderabad, if somebody is searching online marketing in Hyderabad, still your advertisement is going to appear. That is about broad match. Okay, we don't need to focus on broad match because, however, we are not going to use broad match. Now, tell me what is phrase match. Yesterday, we have learned what is phrase match. Phrase match is nothing but pattern should not be disturbed. This is your targeted keyword. What is your targeted keyword? SEO course in Hyderabad is your targeted keyword. Now, the user should not disturb your pattern. He can add anything before or he can add anything after your keyword, but he should not add. Yeah, he should not add anything in between your keyword. So if it disturbs your pattern, then advertisement will not appear. If it does not disturb your pattern, and if we add something before or after, then your advertisement is going to appear for that person. Now, SEO courses in Hyderabad is my keyword. So SEO courses in Hyderabad, obviously this person has not disturbed the pattern, everything is same. So my advertisement is going to appear for this particular keyword. So this is done for phrase match. Then SEO training in Hyderabad. Now you tell me, I have targeted this particular keyword called SEO course in Hyderabad as my phrase match. Can you see the quotations over here? I have used the phrase match. This is my targeted keyword, which is a phrase match keyword. Now you tell me, if somebody is searching SEO training in Hyderabad, will my advertisement appear to him or not?
No.
No, it will not appear. Why it will not appear? Because he has disturbed the pattern. SEO course in Hyderabad should be there, but SEO training in Hyderabad is there. Now third one, SEO course in Hyderabad is my targeted keyword, but somebody is searching SEO course Hyderabad. So they have disturbed my pattern. So again, it's not going to appear. Now, fourth one is best SEO course in Hyderabad. Now you tell me whether my advertisement will appear to this person, yes or no?
Appear.
Sorry? Did this person disturb my pattern?
Yes, best is added to the phrase,
Okay.
right? So yes.
My advertisement is going to appear, right?
Yeah.
Yes, because he didn't disturb my pattern. SEO is that course. After SEO, course is there, after course in after Hyderabad. That means they have not disturbed my pattern. Whatever my pattern is there, they have used my pattern. But anybody can add anything before or they can add anything after. Now, SEO course in Hyderabad for students. For this keyword also, my advertisement is going to appear because they didn't disturb my pattern. SEO course in Hyderabad is there. For students, they have added. So my advertisement is going to appear. The problem is for free SEO course in Hyderabad also, your advertisement is going to appear. To overcome this particular problem, we have a negative match. Let's go to negative match later. Now coming to SAP course, it is not going to appear. For which is the best institute in Hyderabad for SEO also, your advertisement is not going to appear. For this much good keyword also, your advertisement is not going to appear because they have disturbed the pattern. Now coming to the exact match. Do not add anything before or after your keyword. Do not add anything before or after. It should be exact. Whatever it is there, that only should be there. When you have lots and lots of money, very big companies, if they have lots of money, they can go for a broad match. But nobody likes to go for a broad match, to be honest, because they will lose so much money. For irrelevant keywords, your advertisement is going to appear. Exact match is just opposite of broad match. If you have more money, go for broad match. If you have very less money, you have to go for exact match. Here, each and every keyword you have to mention. SEO course in Hyderabad. Then only for this keyword, your advertisement is going to appear. Again, if you want your advertisement to appear for this keyword, SEO training in Hyderabad. Again, you have to write over here, SEO training in Hyderabad. Like this, you have to mention in brackets. Again, here, best SEO course in Hyderabad is there. This is not phrase match, right? Here, quotations are not there. Here, brackets are there. So again, for best SEO course in Hyderabad also, see, for best SEO course in Hyderabad, your advertisement should appear, right? That is very good keyword. People are searching for best SEO course. You are best, so your ad should appear. So again, what you have to do is, again, you have to take the key like this. You have to take it, and again, you have to target this particular keyword also, best SEO course in Hyderabad. Like this, you have to mention each and every keyword. That is the problem with exact match. But no problem, do hard work. If they have very less amount, what they can do, they have to go for exact match. Very budget issues they'll be having, right? There is some small companies, these people will go for exact match, but the hard work is really more in exact match because each and every keyword you have to mention, then only your ad is going to appear. How you have to mention? You have to mention in brackets. For phrase match, in phrases you have to mention. For broad match, nothing is there. By default, Google will take broad match. Then coming to broad match modifier. What exactly is broad match modifier? Yeah, what exactly is broad match modifier? For broad match modifier, sequence does not matter, but for whereas for phrase match, sequence matter. Exact sequence should be there. Anything before or after you can add, but for broad match, sequence does not matter. But the thing is, in your keyword, that means the user, whichever the keyword he is searching, in that keyword, all these keywords should be mentioned. That means SEO should be there, course should be there, Hyderabad should be there. At least take 3 combinations. Now, here, now you tell me for broad match modifier, if I have used this particular keyword plus SEO plus course plus Hyderabad as my targeted keyword, then somebody is searching SEO course in Hyderabad. Will my advertisement appear to him? Yes or no? Here, pattern does not matter. Anywhere, those 3 words can be there. Yes, Manita? Okay, tell me what is phrase match?
In phrase match, we can add anything before or after to that
Keyword,
sentence.
right?
Yeah.
Correct. Here, no need to, here pattern is important, right? In phrase match, pattern is important. Exact pattern should be there. Pattern should be exact, but you can add anything before or after. Here, pattern does not matter. SEO can be here, courses can be here, Hyderabad can be here, anything can be anywhere. But the thing is, all these three words should be present in this particular keyword. Then your advertisement is going to appear. Now you tell me here, SEO courses in Hyderabad. Somebody is searching SEO courses in Hyderabad. And I have used a broad match called SEO plus course plus Hyderabad. Will my advertisement appear? Yes or no?
No, because we have courses, right?
Courses is there, but I told you Google follows semantic algorithm, right? They will adjust singulars and plurals. Okay, now assume that here course is there. No, so okay, here also course is there. Now you tell me.
Yes, then it will appear.
Okay, it will appear. For courses also it will appear because Google follows semantic algorithm. They will adjust singulars and plurals. If that much tight, if you are that strict, then nobody is going to perform Google ads and all, because it is very, very high standards. That much high standards. See, the standards are always high, but sometimes Google will give chance, because if somebody is searching SEO course and you have targeted a keyword called SEO courses, and if your advertisement is not appearing, then it is of no use, right? What is the use of using Google ads? So that is the reason Google will follow semantic algorithm. For singulars, plurals, no problem.
For only exact match, we have to get that exact keyword, right?
For that also does not matter. For that also, singulars and plurals, Google will adjust. Spelling mistakes also Google will adjust. And for website designing, web design, both are same, right? Both have the same meaning. For that also Google will adjust. No problem. For any match, does not matter. Now SEO.
But, for an exact match, if we have courses in Hyderabad and if we search for course in Hyderabad, it will show or it will not show?
It will show. It will show. It will show. That's what I'm telling. Now, singular plurals does not matter. Other than singular plurals, if anything is there, then you have to mention. Okay. Now, SEO course Hyderabad is there, right? SEO training in Hyderabad. For broad match modifier, will my advertisement appear? Yes or no?
Yes, it will appear.
How it will appear?
SEO courses in Hyderabad, right?
No, I'm asking about SEO training in Hyderabad.
No, then it will not appear.
Because the three words are not there. SEO course Hyderabad, it is going to appear because all the three words are there. Best SEO course in Hyderabad, it will appear. And free SEO course also, it will appear. That is the problem with free thing. Okay, we'll solve the free problem later. Then coming to SAP course, it will not appear. Which is the best institute in Hyderabad for SEO course? SEO is there, course is there, Hyderabad is there. So it's going to appear. That is the benefit of broad match modifier. It will satisfy long tail keywords. Okay, now coming to how to solve the issue of free. Here, phrase match. See, these are the best matches, right? Phrase and exact. If you are very good expert in PPC networks, then you can go for broad match. Otherwise, don't go for broad match. Broad match modifier I'm talking about. And broad match, you should never go for broad match because you'll be losing your money. Then what are the options? Phrase is there, exact is there. These two are the options. If you want to do lots of hard work, then go for exact match. If you want to be smart enough and use proper keywords and earn good leads and all, then go for phrase match. The best combination is phrase match and negative match. Now, some people might be searching SEO course download, SEO course PDF, SEO course in Hyderabad PDF. Now, SEO course in Hyderabad is my phrase match. This is the one I have targeted. Someone might be searching SEO course in Hyderabad PDF. Then again, my advertisement is going to appear. That is the problem. They will click on my advertisement. And are you there, Pranita?